Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create double exposure editing in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut Mobile application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project, and we can add white background to our project. You can go to the library and just type in white background. We're going to add white background to our project, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then we can add the video we want to create double exposure editing. You can go to the overlay and tap on add overlay and choose your video. For example, I'm going to create double exposure editing with this video. I'm going to add it to my project. Okay, and I'm going to extend the duration of the white background, and I'm just going to cut my video like this, and you can zoom in until it's full. Okay, and remove the background of your video. You can go to the remove background option and then select auto removal. Okay, and then we can click on the check mark and you can go to the adjust, or you can also go to the filter. It's the same. Right guys, okay, select adjust and we can choose crop. Okay, and you can lower the white color like this, and you can go back to your editing, click on the check mark, and we're going to add our second video. I'm going to click on add overlay, and then I'm just going to choose video from my CapCut library. Okay, and for the second video guys, I'm going to add this one. All right, and I'm going to make it full screen like this. Okay, and then we're going to blend our videos. You can go to the splice option and select lighten. Okay, then click on the check mark and you have to import the same video. You can add overlay, and I'm going to import this video again to my project and make it full screen like this. Okay, and we're going to put mask guys. You can go to the mask option, this one, and select the horizontal mask, and you can adjust the position of the mask until you're satisfied with the result. Alright, and I think it's done, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create double exposure editing in CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.